Which of the following sentences is written in passive voice? A, the homeowners remodeled the house to help it sell. B, the salt water corroded the metal beams. C, thousands of tourists visit the Grand Canyon every year. D, joeys are carried by kangaroos in their pouches. Yeah, of course. Sir, posted po ba yung presentation after discussion? Yes po. Everything po is posted. No? That's why I recommend po na we have to make sure no, na napanood po natin yung orientation because everything there is already relayed. Ayan. Letter D, letter D, letter D. Correct answer for number 4 is indeed letter D. Yan po ay passive voice. O di ba? Ito pong concept na to is a prerequisite and of course, diba, dapat alam natin as English majors. So bakit po letter D ang tamang sagot? Ano bang pinagkaiba ni active at ni passive? Pag sinabi po kasi nating active voice, no? Ayan, pag sinabi po nating active voice, ibig sabihin the subject of the sentence performs the action. Si subject ang nagpe-perform ng action. Kapag naman passive, okay, si subject ang nagre-receive ng action. Don't just rely kapag gumagamit tayo ng by, no? Kasi hindi lahat ng passive voice ay gumagamit ng by. And of course, be mindful of the structure. Meron tayong dalawang way para ma-identify siya, no? SVO ba or OVS ang ginamit.